How to send USD from PayPal to Wise. All right, so here's how you can simply do that. You're going to need to have a card, that's a digital card on your Wise, or a physical card. To do this, head into your Wise and log in. I'm on Wise Business. So now click on cards here. Once you've clicked on cards, head over to other debit card and click on that option. Now you're going to be met with two options. That's a physical card or a digital card. Now, a physical card that lives online and works everywhere, that is what we're looking for. That way we can simply add this card to our PayPal and then we can easily withdraw our money from PayPal into this card right here. So all you need to do is just go ahead and click on it and then just click on create your digital card and it's done. Now, once you've created your digital card, just head over to PayPal. This is PayPal web. On the home page, you'd see cards. Go ahead and click on link a card. So it's going to lead you to where you can simply enter your card details. And all you need to do, like I said, is just enter your card details. That's the card number, the expiration date, the CVV, and then just simply click on link card. Once you've linked your card now, once you've linked your card, you can now simply move your money from your PayPal balance over to your card balance. It's going to appear here, and it's a very simple process. Just simply transfer from your PayPal balance to your card, and it would now reflect in your home section here on Wise once you've activated your Wise digital card. All right.